This is the most compact Hoover stick in the range, the new H3 500. It's light, maneuverable, with impressive performance, picking up fine dust, larger debris, and pet hair for up to 40 minutes. And it's so compact that it fits almost everywhere. That's why it's perfect for you, who always wants everything to be in its right place.
There are clear reasons why cordless cleaning wins for convenience.
But not all cordless vacuums give you mains performance and real staying power.
Introducing the all-new Vax 1-Power Blade range. Powerful cordless vacuums with a revolutionary battery.
At its heart, the new Vax 1-Power battery gives you up to 45 minutes runtime and twice as much as the best-selling cordless in boost mode. Enough to clean your whole home.
Plus, it can power every other product in the Vax 1-Power cordless cleaning system.
The Blade 4 features our best-ever brushless motor and Vax Core technology. What does that mean?
It's proven to clean carpets better than the UK's top 3 best-selling cordless vacuums. Down where the powerful cleaning happens, there's a twin helix brush bar. What does that mean?
It means it can do this, working hard, cleaning deep on both carpets and hard floors.
And direct helix technology means there's no loss of suction.
So you get the performance of the best-selling corded uprights in a light, well-balanced cordless.
That switches to a handheld in one click. Perfect for cleaning in the car, on the sofa, high and low.
Get mains performance with cordless convenience from the powerful new Vax 1-Power Blade range. Vax 1-Power. Endless possibilities.